Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. So welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be doing a particular video which is a little bit different. I'm actually going to be doing something like a desk upgrade kind of video. It's my first time, so do give me some comments on how I could actually make it better. And of course, this video wouldn't be possible if it's not because of Edifier to Ms Tracy. They actually sent me one set to actually test and review. We've been working for some time now from their earbuds, and now it's actually down to their speaker. For some of you who have actually been with me for quite some time, you would know that my YouTube studio have actually kind of evolved a few times over the last like 3 to 4 years, and the current setup you see right now is what I've been using for like the past almost a year now, right, in my new apartment. So today we're going to be looking at the Edifier M60 compact desktop 2.0 multimedia bookshelf speaker, and we're going to see how it can actually deliver all that. Now, this speakers are actually priced currently at 219 Singapore dollars. So the question would be, are they going to be the perfect blend of style, sound, and practicality for your desk? So stick around to find out. And more importantly, in this video, I'll actually show you how I actually integrate M60 speakers into my personal desk setup, and whether this slick pair of speakers can actually transform your audio experience. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the design, the build quality, the sound quality, the most important, connectivity, and how it actually improved my desk setup. And finally, I'll talk about my verdict, whether should you actually get this for your own desk setup. So let's kick things off with the design. Now, the Edifier M60 features a beautiful compact bookshelf speaker aesthetic with a premium feel. The unit I received comes in this stunning classic oak finish, which I have to say perfectly complements my white desktop. The speakers measures around 100mm by 168mm and 147. The build quality, I'll have to say, is very solid. The wooden side panels not only enhances the aesthetics but also reduces resonance, giving you clearer sound. The speakers themselves are small enough to fit on any desk but still feel solid and substantial. On the front of the speaker, you will only see the driver and the tweet. It's a very clean, minimalist front face and with a simple touch panel at the top, classy and functional. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the sound. Now the M60 comes with a 3-inch mid-range driver and a 1-inch silk dome tweeters in a 2.0 stereo configuration. So you actually see on my desk that there are actually two speakers, one on the left or one on the right. Now, the bass is warm and present, and this is actually without a subwoofer. It's just two speakers in a 2.0 configuration. The mids are natural and clear, making vocals and instruments sound fantastic. The highs are crisp without being too overly sharp. So I would say that for day-to-day like music listening or YouTube video, or if you're doing like casual gaming, I would say that the M60 delivers an impressively balanced sound that can easily beat most desktop speakers in this price range. For those of you who are looking at high-res, you'll be delighted to know that these speakers also support high-res audio, which is a huge plus to any of you who are using like Tidal or Apple Music lossless like me. I actually nowadays go a lot into Apple Music lossless. Now, in terms of connectivity and pairing, this is another highlight of the M60, is that it's very versatile in terms of its connectivity. Got like Bluetooth, and it's actually using the Bluetooth 5.3 protocol. It's super stable, there's low latency, perfect for like wireless streaming from your phone or laptop. Also comes with like a USB-C input, so you can connect directly to your PC or your Mac or your laptop for high quality digital audio. It also has the optical input. If you're going to be running like from TV or console nearby, it also has an aux in option for your older devices. in my initial Bluetooth pairing with my iPhone or my Android phone, which is my Samsung Flip and even my MacBook Air, it was very flawless and very seamless. Just one click and I was ready to stream audio content and video content on my phone and laptop to the speaker. Now let's talk about Edifier Connect app, which is currently available on both iOS and Android. The application itself allows you to customize your sound profile with various presets like music, monitor, game, and movie, but you can also customize your own EQ to your own liking, which is great for some of you here who wants to tune the speaker accordingly and exactly to your liking. Other than that, you can control the volume, the input, and you can actually even switch on and off the speaker remotely. Now next, let me show you how I personally use the M60 to level up my desk. Now before that, I was only using the built-in speaker on my M1 MacBook Air for the longest time, and the difference once I integrate the M60, now the soundstage is wider and more immersive now, which is great when I'm listening to music while I'm working, and if I'm actually going to be watching YouTube or Netflix, it feels more cinematic. And even for other tasks like when I'm doing video editing, the audio is clearer with much better vocal presence. Now, it also comes included with the aluminum speaker stand at a particular angle which tilts the speaker upwards 15 degrees. It ensures the sound is directed precisely at my ear level when it's placed on my desk. So in short, I would say that adding the M60 to my desk has genuinely elevated both the aesthetic and audio experience. So here's my final verdict on the Edifier M60 multimedia speaker. Now the pros is that it has excellent sound quality for its size and price. It's beautifully designed with premium classic oak finish. It has a variety of connections available for the latest devices and even older devices. For me, in my case, it is easy to integrate the speaker into my desk setup. The cons is that there's no built-in subwoofer, though the bass is still very respectable in the 2.0 system. There's no remote control, but of course, this you can be done through the mobile app. Now, at 219 Singapore dollars, I think the M60 offers tremendous value, whether you're a casual music lover, a home office user, or someone who simply wants better sound without cluttering their desk. And for anyone who is considering to upgrade their audio, their desktop audio, I can confidently recommend giving this a serious look. So once again, a huge thank you to Edifier and Ms Tracy for sponsoring this review and sending over the M60 for us to test. Now, if you find this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.